Quintel, why the hell you over there asleep? You need to go upstairs and wash your ass.
What you talking about, man?
You got the whole goddamn living room stinking.
We ain't stinking here.
Quintel, you do stink. You need to go wash your whole ass.
Man, go ahead, man. Go ahead with that shit, man.
You stink.
Man, you talking about, man, go ahead, man.
This whole goddamn living room funky. Smells straight like ass. Where the hell you coming from?
I just left the gym, man. I'm tired, man.
You need to go upstairs. You need to go wash your whole ass. Your ass stink.
Turn the washing machine on.
Quintel.
What?
Why the fuck your stupid ass in my goddamn washing machine?
You said my ass was stinking. I need to go wash my ass.
I know what the fuck I said. You know damn well ain't mean for your ass to come up here and get in the fucking washing
You said
machine.
go
Quintel.
upstairs and wash your ass. You said my ass was stinking.
Yeah, your ass stink.
Alright, then turn the goddamn washing machine on. You said I need to wash my ass.
Quintel.
What?
How the fuck you gonna wash in a fucking washing machine?
Actually, that's what you said. You said Quintel smell like ass in the living room.
It did smell like ass. You need to go bathe.
You didn't say that. You said go upstairs and wash your ass.
What's
So
that?
if you turn the goddamn washing machine on, I can wash my ass.
What's that?
Turn the motherfucker on.
Get your big ass out my goddamn
Man,
washing
come on,
machine.
man. And don't put that shit on full cycle.
What's
either.
that? Get your ass out my goddamn washing machine with your stupid ass. You always doing stupid ass
You
shit.
told me to go.
What's that? You know damn well I ain't tell your ass get in the fucking washing
So what
machine.
you wanted me to go do?
Go shower. Go get your stinking ass in the tub.
Man, you didn't say that. You said go upstairs and wash your ass.
What's that? Common fucking sense. How the fuck you gonna wash your ass in the fucking washing machine? You so fucking stupid.
This shit, man. Every time.
What's that? Get your ass out my goddamn washing
do
machine.
what you goddamn tell me to do. Goddamn it, it's a motherfucking problem.
Get your ass out my goddamn washing
Every time
machine.
it's a goddamn problem.
Oh,
Every
fucking
time-
well.
Goddamn help me then.
I'm not helping your stupid
Help
ass.
me,
You
man.
always doing stupid ass shit.
Help my friend.
I
Help
hope
me.
your ass bust your ass.
Man, come on, man. Help me,
I'm not helping your stupid
Damn, fucking
ass.
stuck too.
So
Damn,
fucking
every time I
stupid.
got there.
You should have got your big ass in there.
Every time I got
Fucking retarded.
shit, man, you ain't call it. Oh, shit, hey, help me, God.
I'm not helping your
God
stupid.
damn,
you,
man.
you look the fuck stupid.
Come on, man, God. Damn, you ain't told me get in the goddamn water.
I ain't tell your stupid. You look the fuck
Call the
stupid.
goddamn
I'm
firefighter.
not calling no fucking
God
body.
damn.
Fucking stupid
Shit.
ass.